What's up, Internet? My name is Thomas Domaingue, and this is my submission video for the Korean American Restaurant Association's Bulgogi Cooking Contest 2018. The reasons why I'd like to enter this contest are to showcase my skills and the appreciation that I have for Korean culture and their food ways. So if you like this video, press that like button, because one like is one vote for me. Have a great rest of your day. My ideas for this dish come from the whole experience of eating bulgogi. So what is that? Usually you have saam, you have some panchan, you have some other dishes around you that you can mix and match the flavors and mix them how you like. So what I did was basically take that experience and put it onto one plate, and using some different techniques, and it really proves to be a pretty interesting presentation, in my opinion. What I made for you today is a pan-seared bulgogi ribeye steak over gochujang carrot puree, king oyster mushrooms, Korean chili pickled vegetables, sesame leaf sauce, charred green onions, and a fried sweet potato puff. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button. Have a great day. 잘 먹겠습니다.